Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing a rice field which is being harvested by women. They are always harvesting the rice with their hands. They have a sickle in their hands. Using this sickle, they are harvesting the rice. And it is always this kind of harvesting we have done. We never used a machine to harvest rice here. It was always by women with sickle harvested rice, bending over to the plant a long time. They have done this. And we can see they are in fact cutting the top portion of the plant with the grains in it. And after this is harvested in this manner, it is taken to the site of these rice fields for thrashing. For thrashing, nowadays they are using a machine. A thrashing machine will be brought to this place, which is in fact a portable thrashing machine. And in this thrashing machine, they separate the grains. And these grains are later taken to a rice mill for processing. Processing is done in this manner. They first remove the outer shell of the grain. It is a hard shell. The husk is hard a little. And after removing this hard shell, you get the grain in red color, the red rice. That is what we eat normally. And if you do not want that red in your rice, you can polish this grain to make it white. You can remove a very thin skin on the grain, which is red in color, so that you can have the white raw rice. And this white raw rice is in fact consumed by people who are working, sitting in the office. Generally, in Kerala, we prefer to have that skin on the grain, so that will supply us with necessary B6. We in Kerala had the problem of beriberi diseases once upon a time. And we have done away with this beriberi disease after started to consume more of red rice. There is thiamine in it. Thiamine or B6 in the skin of this red rice is in fact helpful to fight the disease called beriberi. Beriberi, you know, you cannot do anything because of your lungs become bigger, your legs are swelled, etc., etc. You are not in fact very active because of this disease, beriberi. And now that disease is not at all reported from Kerala because of the large quantity of consumption of this kind of rice.